in that national park. But what we see over here is, or what we admit over here is that he came up front for defending over national hero. Rizwan and Babar should sack them voluntarily. Otherwise, it will be very
consistently playing finals every year.
But what we here, I partially agree with Shadab, because when you smile on the sixes, national car
of elite people,
elite people, bureaucrats and government officials.
So there are lots of discussion happening sport and Tahir bhai just today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
Good, Akib, God is 2 point. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And as you know about Babar Azam performing in this PSL, he scored 0 in one match and 1 in the second match. And Ahmed Shahzad bhai is saying that he will score 2 runs in the third match. He's basically predicting the arithmetic flaw. How do you see this statement, Tahir bhai? Obviously, he's trying to taunt him. He always does this. He has some
Akib, when you are out of the team, then you feel happy by trolling or taunting others, right? So I will advise Ahmed Shahzad bhai, because Ahmed, you were also in the team. Whenever you have been in the team, look at your performance. You can compare your performance with the team and in the national cups as well. Your performance will definitely be above the mark, no doubt, in the national mark. But what we see over here is, or what we admit over here is, international performance. Internationally, we are not satisfied with this performance. But if you troll like this after getting out of the team, whatsoever the reason that you have not been,
Babar Azam achieved more than Ahmed Shahzad.
Yeah, but he is still modest. He is a modest person. So I think these things should be learned by the Ahmed Shahzad if he wants to make his comeback in the team. Otherwise, these things will create more hurdles for him to come back in the team.
Yesterday also we saw a video of Umar Akmal talking with Ahmed Ali Butt, and he started defending Babar Azam, that he's performed consistently, and now when he's facing a little bit of bad time, people have started doubting him and trying to kick him out of the team. Yesterday he basically was standing in defense of Babar Azam. How do you see? Very rarely to see Umar Akmal praising Babar Azam.
But still, Umar Akmal is a very great person.
I think he wants to come in team time.
Yeah, I think despite the fact having few issues with him, but he's a good person and he loves cricket and he loves to support a good cricket.
We saw he was playing tape ball recently.
And on the other hand, Babar Azam is also his first president. That might be the reason that he has a soft corner for him. But still,
I think his father also criticized them in the tweet also.
Yeah,
we saw that post.
Yeah, but Akib, on the other hand, Babar is also struggling for success. He needs such sort of helping hand which can uplift him.
From people who were close to him.
Yeah, and it's a very good gesture shown by Umar Akmal that he came up front for defending over national hero.
And Tabi, you also shared a news which might not be true, that Babar and Rizwan are no more in PCB's plan for the T20s. Currently, they're being silent and they perform very consistently at the top of the
I wish this news should be fake, but on the other hand, I think now time has reached that Rizwan and Babar should sack them voluntarily. Otherwise, it will be very heart-wrenching for me that these two players have been sacked.
Tabi, you shared the big boys are in stress. The big boys are in stress.
And Akib, this thing pinched me a lot. That why they are not taking big steps instead of others are taking big steps to sack from the team. So it's their more moral responsibility that they should take some rest and pull their socks up and perform better in the national T20s or maybe Qaid-e-Azam or Pentacular Cup. So they could perform better and selector could overthink their performance and bring them back on the line.
Tabi, even if Iftikhar Ahmed has stated a statement about Mohammad Rizwan that he's quite better than other captains in PSL, because I think he's taking the statement because consistently Mutaan Sultans, have reached finals like 4 or 5 times. They won one time but they lost 4. But the other Rizwan captains, they were consistently playing finals every year.
But Akib, what we consider over here is we see the performance in the international level. No matter what you are performing.
PSL is different.
PSL is different. PSL is your local match in which everything is controlled.
Here Shahid is taking wickets.
Yeah, Shahid Afridi is taking wickets and
Shadab is taking wickets.
But what happens when they go abroad? Their conditions are overcast. Their conditions are not in their control, and their morale is also down. And no doubt in PSL, investors pay huge amount to these stars. That's why they play with zeal and zest. And internationally, they only paid the match fees and only central contract. That's why their energy is very down in that.
And as we're talking about Shadab, one thing which people quite angry when even he's getting for sixes, he starts smiling, which is really an embarrassing moment for a bowler. How do you see this? And these performances definitely will not fool the public.
But Akib, here I partially agree with Shadab, because when you smile on the sixes, it creates your courage. It shows your courage that you are not under pressure. and you are praising the batsman. But on the other hand, okay, if you get six and you become frustrated,
Which is common in fast bowlers.
and when you become frustrated in that frustration, you get more 2 or 3 sixes. That's why Akib Shadab shows good gesture to the batsman.
But still, he concedes more sixes than
but he still concedes more sixes instead of controlling sixes. His sixes machine against him again performed very well.
Lastly, before we close this video, Tayyab, where you made a financial comparison that PSL player of the match are earning more money than the IPL, and once again, all these comparisons starting, which are hurting the Indians also. Like, why are we doing these?
Yeah, Akib, because Akib, this comparison is very much necessary to do. The reason is Indian are always criticizing.
They are very arrogant about IPL.
Yeah, because Akib, they also blame that we give motorbike to the player of the tournament.
Yesterday, some fans were wearing RCB shirt also.
But I think we will give the double cabin Dala, which we have seen to the notice, which is a national car
Car of
our
elite
country.
people,
Yeah,
elite
car of elite people, bureaucrats and government officials. So Akib, it's a very good, huge amount of
Courage by the PCB.
Yeah, credit goes to PCB. And Akib, Indian media should also abide by making such conferences, especially like Sports Yari. We love them. Whenever they came here, we give them its hospitality. But whenever they will do such propaganda, it will hurt us. And if we will hurt, then definitely we will bounce back and we will reply back. So Akib, so I think for Indian media should abide by making such statements as Sports Yari and other channels which try to humiliate Pakistan on every channel. But Akib, this thing hurts us, and this concept is very.
With that, thank you so much for inshallah tomorrow we will try to have another video. So I guess that's the video. Like, subscribe, and also come up with this. Then goodbye from me and Tayyab. Stay with yourself and